What's going on YouTube? This is going to be a quick update video on the channel right here. So I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with YouTube and its membership program. So they have a membership program that allows you to, be a member of the channel, and you can see extra content and also, behind the scenes and stuff like that. So I went ahead and decided to add that to the channel right here, and that way, I can go ahead and post some more content behind the scenes whenever I'm, working on the videos and stuff like that. Because I know some of you guys want to see like some of the wiring and steps, ahead of time. And if I'm working on a certain project where, it takes me a little bit longer, I can actually, go ahead and post videos before it, and that way you guys know a little bit more of what's going on. Or you can actually, get to do the wiring before the video comes out. Because, some of the stuff, like let's say, for example, I have the Escalade switch right here that I'm working with right now. And I don't have the truck, so I haven't finished the video. But I pretty much have all the wiring done, and, I'll be posting stuff like that. Or anything that I do, like that way, you guys are ahead, and, you don't have to exactly wait till the complete video is done, because sometimes it may take a little bit longer, but this will give me a chance to like get them out faster, and also you get extra content. And even with the memberships, I'll still be posting the same type of videos and content, except that it should be better, because that'll help support, like I said, the channel, and I can do a little bit more. But I'll still be posting all the normal stuff like how I've been doing right now, or even better, like I said, because that should be like a help to the channel right there. And you're not obligated to join or anything like that, so it's really all up to you guys. And I can see your support, with all the comments and love and all that good stuff, so it's all good there if you can't join or anything like that. And so I believe this will actually like help out the channel and you guys as well, because you get to see extra content that I normally wouldn't shoot. And so with this, it'll allow me to shoot more videos that I normally wouldn't shoot, because I like to shoot the videos and complete them so you guys can see them exactly how they are, all completely done. But sometimes, some of the videos are a little bit long, or I might be missing pieces, or I may not have a car part or something like that. And, so I'll have some of the videos done, and, I can go ahead and, put those out there right there. So you guys can, like I said, have that information before I put it out. And, or also whenever the video comes out, you'll already know a little bit more, or you'll be ready for the installs right there as well. And I'm also making this video right now, that way, whenever you see the channel and you see like membership only or something like that, that's pretty much what the videos are right there. But like I said, don't worry about the normal content, I'll still be putting out the same stuff that I'm doing right now. But except with this, it'll be a little bit better because I'll have additional content. You'll see the join button on the right side right there. And if you can't see it on your mobile device, like your phone, your iPhone and stuff like that, then you'll probably have to go into the Chrome app and then go into the desktop view, because the regular app won't really display it sometimes. And I'll go ahead and show you right now how I did it on my phone if you wanted to check that out as well, because sometimes, it might not display the join button right there. But pretty much if you go into Chrome and then go into the bottom, it'll have the 3 dots. And then on those 3 dots, it'll have the desktop version. And then once you go on the channel, type in YouTube and all that stuff right there, it'll display the channel right there. And so on the right side right there, you'll see the join button right there. And then of course you have to be signed in, Or if you can't do it on your mobile device, you can do it from a desktop computer. And then, that's actually pretty easy right there. But on Android, I believe it's even easier. But I think it's Apple, the one that, you have to go into the Chrome app and then go into the desktop view. Because if not, you can't really see the join button sometimes. So for the memberships, I'll have 3 different levels right there. And the first one is going to be, the starting point, which is going to be named Eaglet, which is, like a small eagle, or, the starting point right there. It'll have like the custom emojis whenever you do under the comments. You'll see them right there. And also you'll have custom badges. So over time, the badges will change. So the badges will keep upgrading the longer you stay as a member. And it'll display right there under the channel. And the middle point is going to be Golden Eagle, which you'll get more features. So that'll be like the videos that are like extra videos. So on the second level, it'll have like more features. So behind the scenes, and then those additional videos that I'll be shooting right there. So on the third level, I named it Eagle Eyes because that one will have all the features. So it'll have, the emojis, the badges, the behind the scenes photos. That one will also have like early access. So whenever I upload the videos, you'll get to see them even earlier, like the main videos and all that stuff, or anything in particular. So whatever it is, like with Eagle Eyes, I added a custom perk to where if you need help with like technical questions or anything like that, just let me know, and I can try to help you out. You can ask me like technical questions on like different cars and stuff. It doesn't have to be a Tahoe, it could be a different car. If you need like a certain wire or a location or stuff like that, you can just let me know and I'll try to help you out my best right there. And I wanted to make this quick video so I can let you guys know, because YouTube does require me to make a video like this, and that way whenever I post those videos, you'll see it'll look a little bit different. It might say like membership or something like that, and you'll know why right there. But like I said, you don't have to join, but you can if you want to. and you know, I'll still be posting the same regular content with actually, you know, I believe more upgrades right there, like I said. And also, as you can see, the Tahoe's looking a little bit different right now, so I've been working on her right now, but it's still not complete. I'm still working on those videos, and that's also why those memberships are pretty good, because, you know, like, let's say sometimes it takes me a little while to do some of the videos. So with that, you know, I can go ahead and do like smaller videos or between the process right there. So that's actually pretty cool right there. And the memberships are a monthly subscription, but you can cancel anytime right there. So you can go ahead and check that out if you like. So if I'm working on like custom projects or ideas that before I do an actual video for them, you know, I'll have them right there. So those will be like real early. So I'll be able to post videos on there to where I'll have upgrades that I don't even have installed in my truck yet. So those will be like really new right there, you know, but I'll be able to shoot them before I actually complete the video, because, you know, sometimes it takes a while whenever I'm doing custom upgrades, and some of them are so new that I don't even have them on the truck. So all the features will be listed under the description on the memberships, but if I miss anything, you know, just let me know down below in the comments, and then, you know, I'll answer your question right there. So I'm looking forward to making more videos for you guys right there, and I'll see you guys inside there. So that'll be it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We're gone.